Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Firefox, an easy guide. First, confirm your Firefox browser is the latest version for the best experience. Next, we will check that your computer meets the necessary system requirements to run the game smoothly. Then, I will guide you through downloading and installing the official Roblox player application. This simple process allows you to launch any Roblox game directly from your browser, ensuring a seamless gaming experience. Before installation, let's quickly check your system's readiness. Your computer should run Windows 7, 8, 10, or 11, or Mac OS 10.7 or a newer version. Aim for a processor speed of at least 1.6 GHz, preferably a dual-core. You will need at least 1 GB of available disk space and 1 GB of RAM. For smooth gameplay, a stable internet connection with a download speed of 5 megabits per second or more is highly recommended. Now, let's get Roblox installed. Open Firefox and go to the official Roblox website. Once there, log into your account or register if you are new to the platform. Browse through the extensive game library and choose any game you wish to play. Clicking the prominent green Play button will initiate the download for the Roblox player. Follow the straightforward instructions on your screen to complete the installation process in just a few moments. With the Roblox player successfully installed, launching your games is incredibly simple. Just go back to the Roblox website in your Firefox browser and select any game you want to enjoy. Click the Play button and a small pop-up will appear, asking if you want to open the Roblox player application. Always choose Open Roblox Player or a similar option. This action will seamlessly launch the game client, connecting you directly to the action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.